Hey, before we start with this video, just wanted to give you a very brief tour of the PMP Lounge YouTube channel. That's youtube.com/PMP Lounge. This, as you can see, is the home. If you can go to videos, these are all the videos, and you can easily search among all these videos by quickly going into the search option and searching for a topic like project management plan, and all the relative videos to project management plan will show up. But the real treasure falls and is deep rooted in the playlist section. All these playlists contain deep information of respective topics. We make sure each of the playlists are up to date. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to PMP Lounge and begin your PMP journey
Hello and
with
welcome to
us.
PMPLounge.com. My name is Shoaib. I'm the voice behind all the videos that you see on this YouTube channel as well as the PMPLounge.com website. The point of this video is this question that came in, and it's about the re-exam attempts that you can take once you are not able to clear your exam. Let's say you write the PMP exam and you're not able to clear it. How many attempts to the re-exam can you take? So the question is, how many re-exam attempts can I take before I finally clear the exam? Well, I hope we at pmplounge.com hope that you clear your PMP exam in the first attempt itself and you don't have to take any re-exam attempt as such. But in one of our previous videos, we talked about how when you submit the application, it takes about 5 days. And if your application is not selected for audit, it takes about around 5 days for PMI to clear your application, approve your application, and you are then eligible to take the PMP exam for the next 1 year, right? So you have a window of 1 year from the date your PMP exam application is approved, and you can take and book your PMP exam slot within that 1 year. Now, let's say if you are not able to clear that exam, when you've booked it for the first time and you're not able to clear the exam, you can make 2 more attempts at the PMP exam after that within this 1 year window. So a total of 3 attempts is what you can make to clear the PMP exam within the 1 year window that you have after your PMP exam application is approved. So 3 attempts is what you get within that eligibility period of 1 year, of course. And then if you're not able to clear the PMP exam in those 3 attempts, then you need to wait for 1 year from the date when you took the PMP exam the last time, right? So you have a 1 year window. Let's say January to December is the window that you have to clear your PMP exam. You take your first shot in January, you're not able to clear it. You take your second shot in June, you're not able to clear it. And you take your last shot in November and you're still not able to clear your PMP exam. From this November to the November of next year is the time period that you need to wait. You cannot apply and consider taking the PMP exam again. So from this November to the next November, you have to wait, and after that you can apply to write the PMP exam again and try to clear it. So I hope there's no one that's watching this video who have not cleared their PMP exam in 3 attempts. But if that is the case, well, you have to wait for 1 year and then you can apply for PMP exam again and try to clear it. So that's pretty much it that I had. I hope that answers the question on how how many exam re-attempts you can take within that 1 year time period. If you're not able to clear, wait for another year and try again. That's all we had in this video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. Check us out on our social media, facebook.com/pmplounge and twitter.com/pmplounge. Send your queries to pmplounge@gmail.com if you have any such questions. And don't forget to check out the website pmplounge.com, your #1 free resource for PMP certification and project management industry information.